Tertiary activities are economic activities that provide services to people and businesses. These activities include sectors such as tourism, education, healthcare, finance, transportation, and communication. Tourism involves activities like hotels, travel agencies, and tourist attractions that cater to visitors' needs. Education includes schools, colleges, universities, and training centers that provide knowledge and skills to students. Healthcare services include hospitals, clinics, and medical professionals who provide medical care and treatment to people. Finance activities include banks, insurance companies, and stock markets that manage money, investments, and financial transactions. Transportation services involve the movement of goods and people, such as airlines, railways, and shipping companies. Communication activities involve telecommunications, internet service providers, and media companies that facilitate the exchange of information. Other tertiary activities include consulting services, law firms, advertising agencies, and entertainment industries. Tertiary activities play a crucial role in the economy by generating income, creating jobs, and improving the quality of life. These activities also contribute to the development of infrastructure, technology, and innovation. Tertiary activities are often interdependent, with one sector supporting and relying on another for successful service delivery. The growth of tertiary activities is influenced by factors such as population size, income levels, and consumer preferences. Globalization has led to the expansion and integration of tertiary activities on a worldwide scale. Advancements in technology and communication have also transformed and expanded the scope of tertiary activities. With the rise of the digital economy, online services and e-commerce have become significant tertiary activities. Tertiary activities contribute to economic diversification and can help countries reduce their dependence on primary industries. In conclusion, tertiary activities encompass a wide range of services that play a vital role in the economy, infrastructure, and overall societal well-being.